Video I will show you how to take screenshot in macOS Big Sur. So if you want to take full screen in a screenshot, then press Command Shift 3. Now here is the result. Press Command S to save. Now it shows here. Now to take some portion, press Command Shift 4. Command Shift 4. You see that the cursor has changed. Now drag to the portion you want to take in a screenshot. Um, Here is, if we close this, it is automatically saved. Here is it. This is the portion screenshot, and here is full screen. That's it. Have a nice day.